I'm in India for the next couple of weeks and my sister just got an iPad here. They recently got an Apple store and the experience was similar to that of Canada's. Surprisingly similar actually. I thought I'll unbox the iPad on camera, show you guys if there are any differences. She also got an Apple Pencil. I'll be putting on dbrand skins on both. So let's get to opening. Okay, right off the bat, the camera being in landscape mode is hands down the best feature. The packaging for the Apple Pencil is great. I've seen one for one of the older ones. It's the first Pro Pencil. It's supposed to look good. Anyway, I'm gonna keep this aside for now and let's get to opening. The first part is pretty straightforward. Just peel the tabs off. No plastic even here. So Apple is doing the whole thing globally, that's nice. Whole tab. Okay, I love how light it is outright. Okay, and there is the engraving. Slow down, you crazy child, Vienna waits for you. I'm not even sure what it means. If you know what it means, let me know in the comments. I'll maybe ask my sister. I'll just finish the unboxing before I set it up. So just standard documentation. The one thing that is different is the adapter you get. So we get a flat pen in North America. This is the standard charging point that they have. It's a rounded pin, I don't know what they call it. And then a USB-C to C. So even here it's capable of fast charging, you just get a different pinpoint. Pretty standard stuff. Apple doesn't do stickers anymore because again with the no plastic or reduced plastic thing. I'm gonna keep this aside. Okay. Let's go. Hello. Nice. The next one is Hindi, I think. Okay, that is not Hindi. It's like maybe in India. Oh yeah, this one's Hindi. That says Namaste, means welcome or whatever. Okay, this is gonna be English, India. I'm gonna go with default. So I've got my sister's phone right here. Sometimes it's a little bit finicky. Okay, this pops up and then it doesn't let me unlock. What the? Okay, finally. Nice, it went to dark mode by itself. I love that. Touch ID. I'm gonna have to call my sister for this. Give me a sec. So keep moving it slightly. Now do the edges. Okay, it's gonna be a new iPad. No transferring. All right, there we go. Okay. Clean look, the new iPad here, M2. And let's get to the Apple Pencil now. And there's the Apple Pencil. It's pretty straightforward. There's basically just documentation and the pencil. Ha, that came out. Nice. Okay, and to sync, you just snap it onto the iPad. You snap it onto the side, you see the camera. Welcome to Apple Pencil. This is the Apple Pencil Pro. This squeeze and then you can hover, I believe, in this one. That's new. It's pretty straightforward. You want to try this? The squeeze feature. My sister's left-handed, so yeah, right if you want. So what you can do is just go, scribble it out. Scribble and it's gone. See, now you gotta subscribe. Haha. Okay, add pencil. Again, I believe this has the U2 chip, the Ultra Band 2 chip. So that's a good thing. You can, it's got precision finding. That's perfect. And that's about it. Now let's get to putting the skin on. Okay, dbrand skins. This is from the last video I had. A couple of things left over. So the Obsidian skins. They're slightly different. One goes around the edges. It also feels a little bit different. This one has more of a matte finish to it, only for the back face of it. And then the Apple Pencil skins. So we have a couple options. I forgot what the name is, but when you think of dbrand, I think of this essentially. That looks like the whatever the H2, whatever pencil, and then that is just the black skin. Has some sort of an indentation. I forgot what this style is. Okay, now we gotta ask my sister which one she wants. Okay, so this one it is. Artisty feel, typical dbrand. I'm gonna get rid of everything else for now. Okay, like before, go to dbrand/how or something and you have a bunch of tutorials there. Okay, there's the site. So it is dbrand / how to apply. I'll just put it in the description if you don't want to search it up. Let's just Command F, Apple Pencil. Okay, so this is the Apple Pencil 2 / Pro. Go here, turn the video on.
If you just got your second generation Apple Pencil skin, relax. This is going to be easy. Note that your dbrand pencil skin comes with 4 elements: eraser, band, body, and wood. 2 sets are included. Just in case you f***ed up on your first try, you will require a hairdryer for this installation, so pause the video now and go grab one.
Even last time I had to look for one. Give me 1 second. Okay, got it.
Welcome back. Begin with the wooden piece. You'll need to align the skin around the indicated divide below the tip of the pencil.
So the thing is, I can't really see a lot, so I'm gonna get the other skins. Okay, that should make it a little easier to see. Yeah, I see it right there. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, that only took like 10 seconds. A lot easier than when I did the phone.
Let's now move on to the body. To get a perfect installation, line up the skin against the edge of the flat surface on the pencil.
So it's right above that. Take it out. Okay, like the video says, just line it up right below this, along the flat edge.
Let's begin.
Okay, finally, that is on. There's a slight edge left here, but that's okay. I couldn't care less now.
Next, wrap the eraser around the cylinder, leaving the tiny flaps.
Okay, along the edge.
Grab your hairdryer and heat the eraser from the top down. Once the material softens, wrap the flaps inward.
Alright, that's a good fit. So the dot on the leftmost.
Heat it up and apply firm pressure to secure it in place.
Okay. Ooh, perfect fit. Alright, that is the Apple Pencil. Looks pretty good. Now we're gonna go for the iPad. Okay, on my iPhone, I put the skin that covered the edges. I don't want to do that for my iPad because I'll probably have a case on. I don't know how the skin is going to react to that. So, okay, let's search for iPad M2.
If you just got your dbrand iPad Pro skin, relax. This is going to be easy. Remove the skin from the 3M paper and reattach as shown.
Let's begin.
Okay, that is the Obsidian skin. That took a whole lot of effort, I'm not gonna lie. So there's the iPad skin, and there we have the Apple Pencil. Pretty great combo if you ask me. Anyway, that was it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you next time. PS out.